Hi, it's Park Madden from the Weather Store in Sandwich, Massachusetts. Today I'd like to share with you an item from our garden or outdoor collection. Although we're better known for barometers and thermometers and weather vanes and such, I do always like to have a really cool piece that can go outdoors. And this here is a sundial, an equatorial sundial, sometimes known as an armillary sphere, but in the end it's really just a sundial. It is cast brass. I get it from a company called Rome Industries out in Illinois, and requires just a little bit of installation, not hard at all to do, and really good weight on this. You know, it's probably got to weigh a good 15 or 20 pounds, measures about 18 inches in diameter, with its base being about a little over 6 inches. What's neat about how this works, and I'll explain it, is that this piece right here in the middle, that's called a gnomon, and it's spelled G-N-O-M-A-N. And what you do is you align this to point to true north, not magnetic north, but true north. And you also then, and you can adjust it by turning this little screw here, you can adjust the angle. If you get this angle to match your latitude, it will effectively be a clock, which is great to have, especially outdoors on a sundial or pedestal. What happens is, as the sun rises and falls, it casts a shadow along these Roman numerals here, and that would indicate the time. Now, it is only going to work for standard time, which might be like, see right now in the middle of winter, it's going to be, we're in central time, but daylight time is going to be off by an hour. And I mean, you're not going to be able to get it down to the second, the timing, but I mean, it will certainly be good enough. And throughout the year, you might find it's fast, 5 or 10 minutes, but it's still good for all practical purposes. Again, this is an armillary sundial, garden sundial. It's built to go outdoors. It will age over time. Some of this, you know, the bright brass, that will tarnish over time, but I think that's a nice thing to have. I mean, you could even, if you had this on a nice pedestal, you could even have a nice vine growing up around it. It would certainly be the focal point of anybody's garden. Again, garden, armillary, equatorial, sundial. It can be found on my website. Thank you again for watching.